Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore an overview of the To-Do module in Odoo 19. Let's get started. When you open the To-Do module, you'll see different view options available. By default, it opens in Content View, but you can also switch to Tree View, Calendar View, and Activity View depending on your workflow. Now, let's talk about stages. You can create multiple stages to organize your to-dos. To add a new stage, simply click on the stage area, enter the name, and confirm it. The new stage will appear instantly. Next, let's create a new to-do. Click on New and enter a title. For example, Review Finances. Set a deadline and apply. Now open the to-do to add more details. You can add tags, like Finance. Assign it to users such as Michelle Admin and Mark Demu. And move it to a relevant stage, like this month. You can also add descriptions using text, bullet points, checklists, or even images. One useful feature here is the option to convert a to-do into a task. Just click Convert to Task. Choose a project like Initiatives and confirm. The system will automatically create it as a task in that project. This procedure is the same as in Projects and Tasks. Now, going back to the To-Do module, there's another option available. When you click on this icon, you can view all the subtasks. You can also see multiple subtasks listed under each item. Currently, there are no subtasks added. And that's a quick overview of the Odoo 19 To-Do module. Thanks for watching.